we would like to thank Lasuri. They are very accommodating and approachable from the first day na nagpunta kami dito para mag-inquire. Thank you. Napaka-friendly ng mga staff nila and napaka-accommodating. And then we would also like to commend those coordinators, the wedding coordinators who planned our wedding celebration. Thank you very much for your patience and your kindness.
I would like to add, on the day of the wedding, they are very prepared. Even if it rained or kung sobrang init, ready sila sa lahat. Fully equipped yung mga facilities nila. And sa mga guests, accommodated naman talaga lahat. Hanggang magsimula at matapos, ayan, hindi ka nila papabayaan. Kaya, ayun, maraming salamat uli sa Lazuri at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng team nila, kasama yung mga suppliers and vendors. Ayan, yun lang, maraming salamat and God bless.